Hi guys, we are Puxton and Worle level crossing in Somerset with South West Transport UK. We just had a bit of a late start there. Anyways, okay, so the time now is 13:16 on Sunday the 20th of June 2026, and this is actually for our 13:44 Great Western service from London Puxton to Supermare. I don't know. Okay, so I don't know if it wouldn't take too much long. That course on there wasn't trying to come off on me or us, and yes, I just edited that out because I just had a bit of a late stop there. So I do apologise. We might get something to eat. Well, I think we might get something to eat of it this one because I'm starving. Lol. Once again, many apologies for the late start, but that barrier that's some flashing light. Yeah, that's some flashing lights was trying to come up on us when we just came over there. Oh, what is coming? We've got. I knew it this time. 136 to 15 back. 136 to 15 to London Puxton, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in next time's videos.